Okay. Graphing inequalities. We have two types of inequalities. One is called an OR inequality, and it has the word OR in it. One thing I think of to remember this is that for OR inequalities, they're going to be two circles and then the shading off to the side. And to me, that reminds me of oars of a boat. So that's how I remember it. Whatever works. X is less than -2. We're going to use an open dot because it doesn't include the or equal to sign on -2. And then I'm going to shade this way. X is greater than 3. I'm going to also use an open dot on 3, and I'm going to shade this way. So I'm shading off to the side. There's a space in between them. For and inequalities, the way that they look is that the X is actually in between two numbers. And that's the way it's going to look on the number line. It's actually saying that 1 is less than or equal to X. So X is bigger than 1, but X is also less than 4. And both of these have to be true. The other way that I could write this is that I could split it apart and I could write 1 is less than or equal to X. Now, if I flip that around, that's the same as X is greater than or equal to 1. And then I could use the word and. So in the practice, there's a couple where they actually use the word and instead of or, same idea. And X is less than 4. Okay, so that would be the other way to write it. That kind of helps see how to graph it because this is going to be a closed dot because it's greater than or equal to on 1, and an open dot on 4, and then we're going to shade in between them. Hopefully that helps you review graphing compound inequalities.